In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zendesk account. By the end, you'll have your free trial up and running and be ready to explore the platform. Start by heading to the official Zendesk website. On the homepage, look for the sign-up area and enter your email address in the field provided. Use a business email if you have one, since it helps with account verification and team setup later. Take a second to double-check for typos. This small step prevents sign-up issues. When you're ready, click the button labeled Start Your Free Trial to move ahead. You'll now see a short registration flow that collects basic details. First, type your first name, then your last name in the respective fields. Keep these consistent with how you appear internally at work, especially if you'll invite teammates later. When both fields look correct, select Next to continue. On the next screen, enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected, and use a number you can access easily. If your browser autofills this field, verify the digits are accurate. Once that's in place, click Next. Next, provide your company name. Enter the full company name or the name your customers would recognize. This helps Zendesk personalize your workspace and may be used to suggest your account's URL. After confirming the name looks right, choose Next. You'll then be asked for your job title. Type it in clearly. This helps Zendesk tailor recommendations and onboarding tips to your role, whether you're an admin, support lead, or part of an operations team. When that's done, click Next to proceed. Now select how many employees your company has. Choose the range that best reflects your organization today. This information helps Zendesk set sensible defaults and surface relevant features. After selecting the size, click Next. Finally, create your password. Aim for a strong, unique password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessed information and consider a password manager for safekeeping. When your password meets the requirements, click Create Your Zendesk account. Zendesk will begin setting up your workspace. This can take a moment, and you may see a brief setup screen before you land in your new account. That's it. You've created your Zendesk account and started your free trial. From here, you can invite teammates, explore channels, and begin customizing your help desk. If you need to review any step, pause, and replay the relevant section. Thanks for watching, and enjoy getting started with Zendesk.